Here I am with my little scooter at the local, actually not local to me anymore, Kimco shop. And I'm just getting an oil change. And to say oil change, they say Huan Yo. Huan Yo is oil change. And I get the cheap stuff, which is, I think this stuff over here. I just get the cheap stuff. It's an old engine. It doesn't need a lot. But yeah, that's how you say that. You can say 我需要换油, and they can normally help you. And it's really cheap to get an oil change. And if you want the cheap stuff, you can just say 我要最便宜的油. That means I want the cheapest oil. Might come off wrong though, so you could also say like 普通的油, like normal oil, basic oil. If you're talking about things you like, you could say 我喜欢这辆车. I like this one. Say 我喜欢所有的车. I like all of these scooters. You can either say 车 or 摩托车. Motor车. Here we have some tires. Tires are called 轮子, 新的轮子. We have a helmet. We call a helmet 安全帽. 安全 means safe, and 帽 is like hat. 安全帽. What else we got in here? We got a TV. 电视. Chair is 椅子. Got a metal chair. 金属的椅子. Metal chair. We're just finding random stuff. So for me, when I see all these new scooters, I say 我的车特别旧, 我想要换新的. My scooter's really old. I want to change to a new one or buy a new one. 换新的 implies that you want to buy a new one. Okay, so looking at some other things you might want to say with your scooter. So the tires, 轮子. Let's see, if you want to change your brake pads, you could say 我要换刹车片, which means I want to change my brakes. So for me, my scooter's much older than this one. Sometimes I need to tighten the throttle cable because there's a huge delay. I can feel it that the cable is loose. So what I say is, I ask him, can you 你能拧紧? 拧紧 is tighten. There's a couple ways they say throttle cable. 油门拉线. 油门拉线. Yo is like oil, 拉线 is like wire. So 拧紧油门拉线. 拧紧油门拉线. Some easy ones I forgot to mention. Light is 灯. Seat is 位子. 我的位子特别久, 特别不舒服. So the boss man just gave me some clarification. So actually you can call this 加油线, which is like add oil wire. 线 is wire. So it just means like the go wire, more or less. Pretty awesome. So there's different ways to say it. Both of them work. He said 都可以, which means both are okay. So you can say 加油线 or 油门拉线. Okay, last few things. This is a 镜子. Mirror is 镜子. Mirrors often get loose, so sometimes you have to tighten them. You can go to a shop and say 你能拧紧我的镜子? Can you tighten my mirror? This is exhaust. It's hot because I'm an idiot and I just got done. This is an exhaust pipe. We call it 排气管. 排气管. And in there you got the engine. The engine is 发动机. 发动机. I got a 125 ER5 发动机.